Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I'm Anna Vanila and I welcome you to enjoy this channel with lots of other videos with me. And in this channel I'm thinking today to add a new video with pantyhose, and then I will be wearing denim trousers. This was highly requested by my fans and I decided to actually do this today, and hopefully it will be to their liking and to your liking. And let's see, so these are new, absolutely new tights. I've never put them on. They're black in color and I'll try to put it on very carefully. So I've got taupe color. Let's put them on. So let's do the second one. I just hope they will be enough to fit me. By the way, this is my new crop top and I've handmade it with knitting needles with odds and ends of colors. And let's put this tights on. I don't have nails, so I just hope this is enough to wear them for you. So let's see. This is how they look like on me. Now let's put these trousers on. This trousers are actually denim trousers and I bought them recently. I like them so much, so I hope you do too. Here we go. These are the trousers. Hopefully you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Please enjoy. Love you. Bye.